Ever wondered if what you eat could have a profound impact on your nerves' health? Well, the answer is an emphatic yes. Nerve damage, an often debilitating condition, can stem from various causes, including poor diet. It's important to understand that our diet plays an instrumental role in maintaining nerve health. Certain fruits, rich in essential vitamins and antioxidants, are known to assist in nerve repair. So let's dive in and explore some fruits that can help repair nerve damage. Our diet can serve as a natural remedy for nerve repair. Here are some fruits that are known to support this process. Let's start with the humble blueberry, a small fruit with a big punch. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, substances that help protect your cells against damage. They're like the body's personal security team, warding off harmful intruders that can damage nerves. So, by incorporating blueberries into your diet, you're essentially bolstering your body's defense against nerve damage. Next on our list, we have the bright and zesty oranges. Oranges are widely recognized for their high vitamin C content. This vitamin is a known immune system booster and a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Both these qualities are crucial for nerve repair, making oranges a beneficial addition to your diet. Moving on, we have avocados, a fruit that's not just for your toast. Avocados are rich in B vitamins and good fats, both of which are essential for nerve health. B vitamins help the nerves function properly, while the healthy fats in avocados provide the necessary insulation for nerve cells, ensuring they can transmit signals effectively. Next, let's talk about pineapples. Besides being a tropical treat, pineapples contain an enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that can aid in nerve repair, so the next time you enjoy a slice of pineapple, remember you're also helping your nerves repair themselves. Last, but certainly not least, we have bananas. Bananas are a great source of B vitamins, just like avocados, and they also provide a good dose of potassium. Potassium is essential for nerve function as it helps transmit signals throughout the nervous system. So by enjoying a banana, you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth, you're also supporting your nerve health. Remember, incorporating these fruits into your diet can assist in nerve repair and improve your overall health. So there you have it, 5 fruits that can aid in nerve repair. From the antioxidant-rich blueberries to the potassium-packed bananas, each fruit carries unique benefits. The vibrant oranges, full of vitamin C, help with nerve regeneration, while the humble apples and avocados, rich in essential fats and fibers, contribute to overall nerve health. Incorporating these fruits into your diet can lead to significant improvements. Nourishing your body with these fruits not only assists in nerve repair, but also boosts your overall health. So why not give them a try? Stay healthy, stay happy.